Hello. So today I got this expensive Pinus. I might have lost my mind. It's a Pinus Nigra Oregon green, and this is probably one of the most expensive trees that I ever got. So this is a black pine from Europe, and the thickness of the trunk is already very interesting. And what I'm planning is not to do any kind of pruning. I do not want to compromise growth in any way. I'm going to try to maybe bend a little bit the trunk, but the only thing that I plan to do today is repot it on a larger pot, and in the future I will see what my options could be. So let's do this. I already have some substrate ready for my mix. I have akadama, I have lava stone and some composed bark, and I'm going to use some or all of the soil that is inside the original pot, because I want to keep any organic matter that is inside this original pot. It's now 4 p.m. Let's see how long it takes me to do this. See, there's already some, how do you call this? Bacterial activity here. It's this that I want to keep. Okay, so I completed this. It's 4:45, so it took me around 45 minutes to remove most of the substrate. The reason that I do this is because I want to spread the roots horizontally. I don't want them to keep the shape that they had because of the initial pot. And now it's time to repot. Okay, and that's it. That's it for me. No pruning, no more wiring or changing the direction of the branches and the trunk for now. Let's see how she handles the repotting, and I'll show it again soon. Okay, have a great week, take care, bye now.